Hello friends, welcome back to my video lecture. In this video lecture we are going to see about the Wildlife Protection Act. Okay, so in this act, if some persons are or hunting to the deers or wild animals, you can say. So that times that acting is up, we can apply on that person. So because of this act, that wild animals become a safety. So what is that Wild Life Protection Act, which is started from 1972? So as per the clause 49A, trading of rare animals has been completely banned. Rare animals, those animals are not in a large in quantity, so is protected by these clauses, right? So next is the as per the clause 49B, use of articles prepared from the skin or organs of wild animals has been banned, right? So those peoples are preparing the skin or organs of wild animals, so that animals we can't make that skin or organs which is taking from that particular wild animals. Okay, so it is banned. Okay, as per the clause 49B. The next is as per the clause 49C, disclosure of the stock of artifacts made from rare wild animals is compulsory, right? So this thing we have to take about it. So like this rare animals or number of living things, they are present into the forest, so we can protect them by the Wildlife Protection Act, which is started from the 1972. So in this way, how we can conserve the biodiversity? So number of living things we can cover by this act. Now we have to see how can biodiversity be conserved, right? So this is also one of the uh, term for the environment. So first of all, maintaining the record of traditional knowledge to conserve the biodiversity conserved, right? Next is the observing the rules. So which rules we can apply to the particular things, so that should be the no. Next is conserving the all plants and the animals, they are present into the forest or our surrounding conditions, right? Next is project for the conservation of special species. So number of projects are taken by the particular peoples, right? Next is declaring some regions as a bioreserves. So like a bioreserves, you can take example like the Himalayas and the Sayadri, right? So this is the example for the bioreserves. So there is a number of living things we can see, right? They are living into that particular places. The next is the establishing national parks and the sanctuaries. So number of national parks are present in our country, and the sanctuaries for to reserve the different living things. Next is protecting the rare species of the organisms, right? Those species are becoming a less, so we are going to protect it, right? That means the automatically the biodiversity will be conserved. Oh, okay, we can helping to the that species, that rare species to livings, right? It means in this way you can conserve the biodiversity, you can conserve that living things, right? Now, next thing we are going to see, that is, so many peoples in the society are voluntary comings together to perform these noble works. Many institutes at state level, national level, international levels are involving in this work. What is that work that we have to see? Voluntary organizations are there. Okay, so that work will be, they are protecting to particular rare species or particular regions, environmental regions, right? So the number of organizations are involving the to do this work. So the Bombay Natural History Society, Mumbai. Next is CPR Environment Groups, New Chennai. The Gandhi Peace Foundation Environment Cell, Delhi. Chipko Center, Tehri Garhwal. Next is Center for the Environment Education, Ahmedabad. Next is Kerala Science Literature Council, Trivandrum. Next is the Indian Agro Industries Foundation, which is Pune. Vikram Sarabhai Community Science Center, which is located at Ahmedabad. So all these thing organizations are seeing about the biodiversity, right? They are taking care about the biodiversity, right? Next thing we have to see the international environment organizations. So these organizations are seeing about the environment, how we can maintain the environment. So they are international environment organizations. So in that, first one is International Union for the Conservation of Nature. We can say the IUCN, Gland VD, Switzerland, right? Next is Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, Geneva. United Nations Environment Program, Geneva. Next is World Wildlife Fund, New York. BirdLife International, Cambridge. Green Climate Fund, Songdo, yes, Korea or South Korea, you can say. So all these international environment organizations are working on that to conserve the environment or to conserve the biodiversity. So what should be the our roles? What is the my roles in the environment that we have to know? First of all, we have to see the conservation. We can conserving the available resources. It may be soil, it may be air, it may be water. So we have to take care about it. Next is the preservations. So preserving the whatever the has been left over. Okay, so that thing is becoming a less, so that we are going preserve, right? So it may be, you can say, the petrol, it may be the rare species of animals. So number of thing is going to be less. Remedies to prevent the further loss, right? We can take precaution about the diesels, petrol, how we can use. Okay, so preserving the unknown reasons, like this we can preserve. Next is control, preventing the harms, the stopping the harmful activities and changing the mindset. We can change our mind to control the number of things, right? So if you are using the uh, bulb light into the homes or mobiles, so we can use minimum amount of use of mobiles whenever we can need of that mobile. Okay, so we can control itself. So that is the my roles. Next is the awareness about the education, guidance, awareness, imitations, organization, participations. So all these things are there that should be known to everyone. Next is prevention, preventing the possible harms, designing the new plans, factors harmful to the environment. So like these things we can prevent, right? Next is the production, revival of harms factors of environment, attempting the innovations. So all these things we should know. So that is my role into the environment. So that's why the environment will be clear. Okay, it will be the maintained to all living things. Now we have to see, let us remember, let us behaving the according. So how we can living into the atmosphere, into the environments. So in this way we can live. Okay, so that is the behavior of our, right? To practice the environmental protection is to development of the human society. So this one of the practice we can do into the environment protection, right? Next is the pure air. Pure water is key to healthy life. We have know these things, so what we can do to pure air, pure water, right? So we can maintain it. Next is prudent use of paper is prevention of deforestations, right? We can use when we want to write, when we want to more need of the paper, that that time we can use only. So this is the prevention of deforestations. Next is the environmental protection is value of educations, right? So we have to take knowledge of the environments, right? So by using that knowledge we can protect the environment, we can maintain the environment. Next is the forest is wealth. If you will keep forest well, then your health become a well. Okay, the forest is wealth, right? That means the health is wealth of human beings, right? Next is the practice of forestation to the conserve the environments. So we have to do the planting tree, right? So because of that we can conserve the environment, we can maintain the environment, so automatically the air become a pure, water become a pure. So this is the key of to health life. Now last one is destroying the plant is to destroy the everything. That means if you will do the deforestation, so you will the destroy the everything. So water become a less, air purity become a less, and the living things life will be in a dangerous, right?